Hi viewers, this is how I get my outside taps or faucets to be nice and straight. Just use a spanner here just to take off the old tap. Got a bit rusty in the winter. Water has been turned off, so it's just a small trickle there. So what we're going to use is my pump pliers here just to create some serrations on the thread of the tap. You could also use a file to give it a light dressing. This is just to create serrations for the tape to stick to the thread. It's Loctite 55, similar to Teflon tape or PTFE tape. And what we want is 6 to 8 turns on this size thread, which is 1/2 inch. And doesn't have to be neat. So there we go. That's what it looks like. Put this inside, and every turn now gets more and more difficult. Just get to the point where you want to make the tap nice and straight. Straight off there. Just make sure the tap is turned off when we put the water on, just to check for leaks. Just check now, make sure everything's working as it should. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Until next time.